So that combined with X, combined with, just the general conversations I have with all of you, helps me keep up with the trends because I get a lot of messages on Instagram and also some on X. So just kind of helping me see what questions you guys are asking of me also helps me keep up with the trends. And then, of course, if I see something like on the news or, I have a lot of news aggregator sites that I read. I usually always kind of, click on those articles and understand those articles. I'm particularly, just kind of as a personal preference, I'm particularly interested in times when algorithms are wrong and, they might cause some mistakes or cause some sort of unintended consequence. Unfortunately, we're seeing this a lot with the self-driven cars, and I think we'll continue to see that. But I keep up with those just kind of like general news articles that make it into the public consciousness, because I think that's also valuable to see where the industry is going, where people's concerns are, things along those lines. So that's what I do.